Hi, my name is Hatter with NYC Marketers. This video is for Eco Air HVAC. In this video, I'm going to be talking about 3 things which you could do today to bring in more customers to your business. So if by the end of the video you like what you see, shoot me a message and we can chat. If not, that's okay with me. I'm just going to be keeping this video short as I can. The 3 things I want to talk to you about today will be content, citations, and backlinks. So let's get right to it. I'm on your guys' homepage right here, ecoairhvac.com. So as I can see, it's a pretty clean website. You got your own YouTube video right here, which plays automatically right in the front. You're displaying your phone number. Now what you want to do is make this clickable, because a lot of people actually use their phones, and also people call through the computer too nowadays. You want to make this phone number clickable. You want to make the address clickable so they can put it inside their maps on the spot. You also want to make the email clickable so it goes right to the email and they can start typing it. And another thing, you want to have at least 1,500 or more words on this home page right here, so it can actually help you beat out your competition and rank it higher. So those are some things I saw immediately which you could do right away and put it into action. Secondly, I want to talk about citations. And before I do that, I just did a quick search on Google, and this is just show you what customers see when they search something, and I'll break it down for you from top to bottom on what they see. So this top section right here, it's called Google Guarantee. This section basically is a paid service by Google in which you'll have to go through a verification process with them, and once that's approved, you can put an ad in this section. And it's the first thing customers see, and in my experience, it gives really good quality leads. After that, we move down to this traditional Google Ads section, which in 2020 is basically a hit or miss, because a lot of people nowadays got ad blockers on their browsers. So if they have that, they're not even going to see this. Secondly, some people probably just have a bad experience in the past clicking on them, so they just basically skim right over this. But businesses still use it, and if placed properly, you can get good leads. If not, it'll just be a money pit. Moving down from there, we move down to this map pack section is what it's called. And over here, I'll explain to you what a citation really is. A citation is anywhere you can put your business information, like your name, address, and phone number. And that's exactly what this section shows. And it's a great place for any business to be. And we really help businesses get on this top 3 positions, because on the phones and on the computers, customers like it, they click on it, they'll probably even check out your website and give you a much higher chance of getting a sale or actually a customer through that map pack right there. After that, we move on to this section, which is referred to as the organic section. This is where websites have, through different means such as SEO and other ways, moved up to the first page of the Google search for the business or industry that we're searching. And you'll also see some national directories like Yelp and Yellow Pages and White Pages, but in between them you see the actual businesses which have organically came up to the first page. Lastly, I want to talk about backlinks. So a backlink is basically any website out there which is giving a link to your website, you guys, and that potentially can drive traffic and give you some good keywords as well. So I use this tool called Ahrefs. It's a paid tool, but it gives me really valuable information on how to assess a website by looking at its performance. So as you can see, I've put in your information right here, and I can see how you guys are doing. So it's showing me that you have 28 referring domains, which are giving you 64 backlinks, which are giving you 79 keywords, which in return give you 66 people coming to your website every single month. Now, to put this into context for you, I've pulled up another top competitor in the New York City area just to show you how their numbers look like. Here we are. So this is their performance figures. As you can see, it's a pretty big difference. They've got 826 referring domains, giving them 4,200 backlinks, which give them 7,800 keywords, and is netting them at least more than 18,000 people coming to their traffic every single month organically. Now, this is definitely the direction you guys want to be heading towards. Going back to yours, all this is very doable, and we specialize in this kind of stuff. And I'll go back to your website. So I told you I'll try to keep this video as short as I can. That's all I have for you today. I really hope you found this video to be educational. And if you'd like to know more on how NYC marketers can help your business grow online, give me a call. My information is in my email signature. If not, no worries. Enjoy the free tips I've given you today. If you could please give me some feedback on this video and let me know how you think I did. And thank you so much for watching. You have a great day.